Well, my dear friend, one thing is very important to learn English or to speak English. One thing is very important, that is a practice. Practice is very important. If you are not doing practice, you can't able to speak the words. You will forget the words and you will face problem. Let's suppose that you are doing practice today and you are doing practice for this month, and after next month or next moment you are not doing practice, so you can't able to speak English. You will always face problem. Even you know vocabularies, grammar, and you are already good speaker, but you are not doing practice. That means you are not able to speak English, and you will face lots of difficulties. So practice is very important, very important. You can see the person who has lots of information, who has lots of knowledge, and the person is not doing the practice. If they or he or she they are not doing practice, then how do you think that they can able to speak English? The fluency will not come. The thoughts process will not happen in your mind, and you will forget, right? Because you are trying to speak, you haven't done any practice, so you are not thinking and speaking. So you will forget and you can't able to speak English. Practice is very important. Until unless you are not doing practice, you are not understanding the things, so things will not occur in your mind and you can't able to speak. So what you need to do, you need to do practice, no matter how much knowledge you have, because we are living in Indian country where people are not speaking English. So whenever you are speaking English, that means you have more clarity and more thought process is like coming in your mind. Those words and vocabularies and things, you are familiar with those things because you are speaking and constantly you are understanding the things. So practice is very important. Until unless you are not doing practice, the things are not going to be happen. So believe that every day, early in the morning, whenever you get up, you need practice. Whenever you are going to sleep, before going to sleep, you need to understand, you need to do your practice. Practice by reading, practice by listening, practice by speaking. Take out any things, any topics or any contents, and that's how you are going to speak, because practice is very important and it is very must. Until unless you are not doing practice, so you will face always problem. Yes, so always keep in your mind these things. One day you will become successful. Always understand, one day you will become successful and you are going to learn so many things. So whenever you do practice, without practice, only it's not about the language, any things in the world, if you are not doing practice, so you will not familiar about those things and you will lost your interest, and that's how you are not going to speak and you are not going to understand the things. So practice is very important. Do practice as much as possible, because practice makes improvement and practice makes with the help of the practice, perfection will come. When those things are coming, then you will understand. Yes, that's how I have to understand, and that's how I have to remain excited about the learning. So practice is important and give the first priority. Wherever you are going, you are going to meet with your friend, so you do practice. Speak with him. Never disgusted. Never feel like you can't able to speak. Yes, you can able to speak and you are speaking, and you need to have conversation with anybody. So practice is important, and practice is one thing that you must continue every day, every moment, every, even you are sleeping at a time of sleeping, at that time you can also think, because the process should be work in your mind. It's working, that means yes, things are happening. So my dear friend, believe me, when you do practice daily basis, every single day you will see like yes, there is improvement is happening and I'm learning a lot. I'm learning a lot because I am doing practice. I'm doing practice because things are coming and I have to speak. I will consistent about my learning and I shall never stop. I will become unstoppable and I will do practice, no matter how long will it take. And let me speak with you, it will not take more than 4 months, more than 6 months. You will feel like great, because practice is everything, my dear. I hope you understand the importance of practice and you will follow the things, right? Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching and keep learning. Please, if you feel like, you can subscribe my channel and learn as much as possible. In coming videos, I'm going to bring innovative things, brainstorming things which will give you positive impact on your mind, and you will learn as much as possible, right? Thank you so much. Thank you.